Fear grips residents of Itasin, Imobi as wild elephants stray into farmlands and homes, destroying crops and disrupting daily life. Tragedy struck recently when 40-year-old farmer Musa Kalamo was attacked and killed while working on his farm with his eldest child. While his son survived the incident, Musa did not.
But I think we are the ones who be better. That's very shame. Our joke, but they say joke here. Could see me, but they say come and be sheba. No relevant and she jadi. But she jadi no. On me Jimmy. By your answer, why John to Tony to call Kujoba? You can't only me no.
This heartbreaking event prompted the Saturday special crew to journey to Itasin, Ijebu, a remote community located about 1 hour 45 minutes from Ijebu East local government, deep in the forested belt of Ogun State. The elephants, which first arrived in 2017 as a herd of just 16, have now grown to over 100. The increasing numbers have made farming the mainstay of the community, a risky endeavor with residents constantly living in fear.
Any Bello Conleti anyone do ní ọdún 2023 on the 15th oṣù kẹta ní March.
Particular areas that is left out from the forest as a conservation area for these animals, because we know how wide they can be when they are attacked. So we always advise people not to go near this conservation area because they traverse this area in search of food, water and the rest.
Join Ogun State Television this Saturday, August 9, 2025, for a gripping edition of Saturday Special, airing between 8 and 9 p.m. as we bring you first-hand accounts, expert insights, and the untold struggles of Itasin Imobi residents. Don't miss it.